Thank you, God, for what you've done for me. Thank you, God, for sending me my queen. She's the one I saw in my dreams. She's my one, my only thing. She the bird sing. Me woulda never left you out. Staring at me life, them coulda never take you out. So when you see her, you see all and everything. So you know, say I dead without. Me have you, but me still want you. Me work it out when time we argue. If the world did abuse you, right now I'm me a guard you. Thank you, God, for what you've done for me. Thank you, God, for sending me my queen. She's the one I saw in my dreams. She's the one who makes my heart sing. Blame me for anything.
Girl this morning, she was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss. Of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired. Tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronix is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do for me. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Girl, I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh, smile. That she asked me, and this how when me say, a sweet, sweet Chronix, you figure them, give them. The one drop beat, pan a rhythm. Are you give them bob with a different step in? Are you give them bolt, nobody can run left him, boy. But see ya, them must see things, say you're out of ideas. You give them art and sweet literature. You're gonna make the world see the better picture. I said, no worry yourself, mama. Chronix is here to your help, mama. Hey, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do. And I said, smile, yeah, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. And I said, smile, boy, you made it for me, boy,
Smiling, one bag of shine. Blessing us to flow like fountain. This morning, one bag of chanting. Morning, me a breath, what me for worry about. Many things me can do without anything. Jaja make it sort out. I feel work, sun a shine till the place dark out. Couldn't call out. What the fuck them a talk about? Hungriness, me nah look, me nah look. Me tell my friends them all about higher life. Girl I wine, carry drive, dollar sign. Richer than most, carry higher life. Tell you about dollar sign, yeah, yeah. Bigger life. Oh, so feel bills, so we mama nice. Brother never say this is a paradise. Tell you about the higher life, yeah, yeah.
Higher life, man I drive, be man now, mama smile. Y'all give me a that car wash and I just tire shine. Camera lights, bag of vibes, famous and a lie. Legends cannot die, tell me rolly and no time. Wings probably need service to a man a fly. See things clear like Smarty well love carrot eyes. Before car, nothing couldn't stop it drive. Fully brave, we go through it, flames like firefighter. Survive that, we did tell her no we solid and rock. Till we shame cement and steel and black table turn. Just watch, no surprise if you see a cat tip on my bike back. My gosh, chain on my freeze, no care the time man. Chemist man, I'm in the same way, full of strap. Big Ben man, higher than London clock. Cranium.
Higher life. Girl I wine, carry drive, dollar sign. Richer than most, carry higher life. Tell you about dollar sign, yeah, yeah. Bigger life. Oh, so feel bills, so we mama nice. Brother never say this is a paradise. Tell you about the higher life, yeah, yeah. Standing, me standing, you can't stand me. When you see me now my name and close, I've been grinding. You couldn't dare if you come style me. At this girl bunny ends with dividing. I've been tiling, can't play me line of violin.
Yo, yo, yo. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, you hear me now? Right.
Me say a prayer this
Morning, one back a chanting, firm and planted.
Yo, yo.
Blessing us to flow like fountain. This morning, one bag of chanting. Morning, me a breath. One more for
Check, yeah.
Many things me can do without anything me want.
I told you back in Ricky, everything that work out for you sometime. America, you yeah, me just try again. Yeah.
What the fuck them a talk about? Hungriness, me nah look, me nah look. Me tell my friends them all about higher life. Girl I wine, carry drive, dollar sign. Richer than most, carry higher life. bills, so with mama nice. Brother, never say this is a paradise. Tell about the higher life. Higher life, man, I drive, be man now, mama smile. Y'all give me that car wash and I just tire shine. Camera lights, bag of vibes, famous and a lie. Legends cannot die, tell me rollie and no time. Wings probably need service to one man a fly. See things clear like somebody will love carrot eyes. Before car, nothing couldn't stop it drive. Fully brave, we go through it, flames like firefighter. Survive that, we did tell her no we solid and rock. Till we shame cement and steel and black. Table turn, just watch, no surprise if you see a cat tip on my bike back. My gosh, chain on my freeze, no care the time man. Chemist man, I'm in the same way, full of strap. Big Ben man, higher than London clock. Cranium. Higher life, yellow white, carrot drive, dollar sign. Richer than most, cause we higher life. Tell you about dollar sign. Bigger life. Oh, so fi bills, so with mama nice. Brother, never say this is a paradise. Tell you about the higher life. Standing, me standing, you can't stand me. When you see me now, my name and close, I've been grinding. You couldn't dare if you come stand me. At this girl, bunny ends, we dividing. I've been tiling, can't play me like no piling. No smiling, me I go for my thing. We go for our one, so we go for our one. Higher life, yellow white, carrot drive, dollar sign. Richer than most, cause we higher life. Tell you about dollar sign. Bigger life. Oh, so fi bills, so with mama nice. Brother, never say this is a paradise. Tell you about the higher life. Me say a prayer this morning. One back a chanting. Firm and planted. Blessing us the fruit.
You're my fear. Yeah, man, the dream never change in my bro. Fear. Lash them. States. Let them fear. Lash them. Different. Now pretend. Yo, Chuck Star. Different thoughts. Approach this with a different cause. Firm up my mess, take a different path. Load the energy, stop the ends off. Protect me energy, me defend that. Still I go for my goal, I'm as a defender. Them style me already, I'ma remember. So cut the link, no, you're not for be no pretender. You're not for pretender. Me see couple friend pass, couple friends switch up and couple friend last. Couple plan fuck up and me go for your task. So you can't see me back on couple lens dog. One more.
Hello.
Let them fear. Lush them. Different. Now pretend. Yo, Chuck Star. Different thoughts. Approach this with a different cause. Firm up my mates, take a different path. Load the energy, stop the ends off. Broke up my energy, my defender. Still I go from my goal, I'm as a defender. Them style me already, I'ma remember. So cut the link, no, you're not for be no pretender. You're not for pretender. Me see couple friend pass, couple friends switch up and couple friend last. Couple plan fuck up and me go for your task. So you can't see me back on couple lens dog. One more, I me no see them dogs. So fuck off with the Hennessy, me no see them quad. Style you one pen, say I no feel them fault. Who I boost them with them sufficient thought. So humble the Bible, cause life I get this. My life, the sweet like pastries. My time between the years it. Now sleep, I'm a dream, I can't chase it. Rush them, say life, it's amazing. Lord, no leave, nor forsake me. A new start, no day, that's crazy. Y'all sell me out for the bread like bakery. But that now I'm here, cause couple friend pass. Couple friends switch up and couple friend last. Couple plan fuck up and me go for your end ass. So you can't see me back on couple lens dog. One more, I me no see them dogs. So fuck off with them, me see me no see them part. Style you want them, say I don't feed them fat. Who about them with them sufficient dogs?
Check. Yeah, you don't know this boy Gyalis Jay. Representing for Livevybz TV. You don't know we're out here. The show about to start in a minute, but right now, as I say, we have a special guest artist that passed through. Not a strange face to Livevybz, but when he came around forward down, you see what we're talking about. If we're right now, go and listen to some music, right?
Friend pass, couple friends switch up and couple friend last. Couple plan fuck up on my coffee and das. I can't see my back and couple lens dog. Well, I me no see them dogs. So fuck off with them, they say me no see them bad. Style you want them, say I don't feed them fault. Who I boost them with them super gentle. So humble the vibe, say no fi exalt. Life again this. Touch them this change. 226.
Yeah, like we have to people, this is Vybz Friday each and every Friday. This your boy Gyalis Jay right now. So we are going cruise and go in. We could chop, build up and go and build up the chat. Everybody in the chat, check in. And just some music we are going to juggle right now, right? We say we have an artist in the building, but we're not revealed yet. It's not a stranger to Livevybz. If you've been here since day one, you know same support Livevybz and we support him same way, right?
Man, keep working.
You know hear the music, right?
Keep striving, you have to keep
alright, we go and rock and go in same way. Livevybz, if you like the vibe, subscribe. Ready on Friday, we're there.
I make some millions, just know that the team good. And when you see me now, for you know the G good. I cap the car to hear the bus down and no cheap goods. I'm front row seat, that's I'm rocking Balmain in Paris. I done my place in Palace. Rock Louis Vuitton and night chopping if my feel for brave. Papa cock, my dog's lavish. Some rocking designers, Faji auto wheels, I know anywhere you find that. VVS, the highs are freeze even when the time at. Buy that, Richard Millie, why not? Why not? Some jeans, them are purple. Rolex for my baby, you want the price, man, I'm certain. Then the Porsche, I drop the Porsche, just cut you from your circle. Get my fear. When you see something, come try. G in the energy, mind, bro, you have to just stay focused, you see it. Yeah, man, keep working. Keep striving, you have to keep believing, you know. I make some millions, just know that the team good. And when you see me now, for you know the G good. I cap the car to hear the bus down and no cheap goods. I'm front row seat, that's I'm rocking Balmain in Paris. I done my place in Palace. Rock Louis Vuitton and night chopping if my feel for brave. Papa cock, my dog's lavish. Some rocking designers, Faji auto wheels, I know anywhere you find that. VVS, the highs are freeze even when the time at. Buy that, Richard Millie, why not? Why not? Some jeans, them are purple. Rolex for my best, so what the price, man, I'm certain. Build the Porsche, drop the Porsche, just cut you from your circle. Me and some Francis, I splash up on my shirt. So when I touch on the circle, some rocking Balmain in Paris. I turn my place in Palace. Rock Louis Vuitton in night chopping if my feel for brave. Papa caught my dog's lavish. Some rocking Balmain in Paris. Long time me I do it, man, I'm a novice. Remember me a J in every parish. The hour when my beat make you see it's a man savage. When me reach the level, yeah, me never fall off. Proud of me, so me go cap a Prada. I turn a 5G truck, is spend a Zara. A private jet when we pull up on the Baja. Them rocking Gucci, rich like Tonucci. I'm still a pre for dropping Mustang for Goofy. My beard and bougie, man not like groupie. Bro, I'm still up on the top, now see how for movement. I'm rocking Balmain in Paris. Extend my house in Palace. Rock Louis Vuitton in night chopping if my feel for brave. Papa caught my dog's lavish. I'm rocking Balmain in Paris. Extend my house in Palace. Rock Louis Vuitton in night chopping if my feel for brave. Papa caught my dog's lavish. This a upstate last days. Mommy get a house with the yard big. My bro say him well want a carve it. Some of your celebrity I never forfeit. Me never breathe. Going upstate. Don't rush them, it could have been worse.
Dog, me probably be cursed. If I no father God, me put my family first. Give thanks and praise, cause I could have the years. Take 10 steps forward, still in the reverse.
If you're just checking in on the live, do remember to like the live, share, drop a comment, touch them.
Full up your purse, see mommy smirk. So no tell my boyfriend because of family me deal with. 4 I'm my brother and I probably the realest. Enough dogs switch up and I promise me to dream it. Violate gosh, I'm not gonna do no kneel it. When scrappy drop me feel it. Big dog and I everyone go tell what body is sick. Great then when what's man drop it cut me deeply. From my grandfather dead me no come back believe me. So just believe me, say a family first. Family first, after my share of the cake, then we get the dessert. Family first, and if a big food job, then me a figure. Family first, after my share of the cake, then we get the dessert. Family first, and if a big food job, then me a figure. Cause me never grow soft, never have no shower dog or river, me go float off. Never have the fancy clothes, them figure pose off. One shell, 2 did a cover down my toe dog. Streets have code, so me listen when the road talk. Never 2 speed, and my bro did have a slow walk, then pick up from a slow start. Put in the work, I know me get the bread for float off. Me never doze off, yeah, my been a go. Because of family first, after my share of the cake, then we get the dessert. Family first, and if a big food job, then me a figure. Family first, after my share of the food, then we get the dessert. Family first, and if a big food job, then me a figure. The fittest shall survive the race. Firm up, I'ma go hide my tears. As a soldier, I'ma strap up, I'ma go hide my fears. Tell me, look, brother, me, I provide the gears. Mama not cry, I'ma go wipe the tears. Put a house on the top, me never so like the place. No, me feel good, my chair and off the place. Some dogs, them I tell me, for go rise the chairs. Family first, after my share up the cake, then we get the dessert. Family first, no half cause you don't forget what she deserve. Family first, after my share up the food, then we get the dessert. Family first. States. Just give me strength, so me walk and believe. When the day I load up, I make up on it. Then we go on the lead. Jaja give me strength, so me walk and believe. And the day I load up, so me go on the leads. Make I sound like me go on the freeze. Used to broke, now me stack up on the cheese. Like y'all never want me, now me broke on the lead. Big 30 sinner when you go on the knee. Switch on the 17, top on the G. When me tired, them I send up and me touch on it. Me have feared from long time. Jaja me believe, no believe in a mankind. Money they call and if me see me they answer. Big up every killer on the east where you bang line. Dog, in a millions me can't find. The chance they have faith and strong mind. Work hard, my dog, wait for God time. Push the beast hard, we no wait for on time. Cause life changes, it's crazy, who made it? Stages and phrases, Ellen won't change me. Cause life changes, it's crazy, who made it? Yes, who made it? Yes, who made it? Designer man, we States. Jaja give me strength, so me walk and believe. And the day I load up, so me go on the leads. Make I sound like me go on the freeze. Used to broke, now me stack up on the cheese. Like y'all never want me, now me broke on the lead. Big 30 sinner when you go on the knee. Switch on the 17, top on the G. When me tired, them I send up and me touch on it. Me have feared from long time. Jaja me believe, no believe in a mankind. Money they call and if me see me they answer. Big up every killer on the east where you bang line. Dog, in a millions me can't find. The chance they have faith and strong mind. Work hard, my dog, wait for God time. Push the beast hard, we no wait for on time. Cause life changes, it's crazy, who made it? Stages and phrases, Ellen won't change me. Cause life changes, it's crazy, who made it? Yes, who made it? Yes, who made it? Designer man, changed from here again, bro. Me used to one shoes but stay out. The thing changed from food start clear now. Tarmac if me want take out. Corporate dinner up on the stay close. Investment by stay low. The thing low that can calm a pharaoh. Life changes, it's crazy, we made it. Stages and phrases, failing won't change me. Cause life changes, it's crazy, we made it. Yes, we made it. Yes, we made it. Jaja give me strength, so I work and believe. And the dial I load up, so I go up on the leads. Make I sound like me go up on the freeze. Used to broke, now me stack up on the cheese. That girl I never want me, now me broke on the lead. Big 30 sinner when she go up on the knees. Switch on the 17, top on the G. When me prayer, them I send up when me touch on the I get my blessing and share it. From my table, the Lord I prepare it. Mount I feel, so feeling no scare me. And if I feel, me try it again daily. And when the case slice up, I gon' share it. And when my glow rise up, I gon' pay me. You know PCH never fail me. Some beat the file, them like slavery. Cause life changes, it's crazy, we made it. Faces and stages, failing won't change me. Cause life changes, it's crazy, we made it. Yes, we made it. Yes, we made it. So much thing for talk and me alone see it. So much thing for talk and me alone feel. States. So much thing for talk and me alone know. My gone through the dark and me alone do. One. Upstate. Hear the math? Cold street, oh I talk about war and I know street. Bench house time and I never catch cold feet. So much thing but my brain can't cope G. Girl on me heart, me no know how to trust she. Here say I'm your enemy and I'm one team. Everything I jaffy and not the first tweet. Me just a stay humble until the bus reach. Come on, me say she a pray for me. Set the table, we gotta prepare for me. Lonely road and me I tread it carefully. Who for love me, them never care for me. Some of me say she a pray for me. And the table we gotta prepare for me. Lonely road and me I try to carefully. Who for love me, them never care for me. Not there for me. Make enough mistake up in a this place. Some say my good, some say that is a disgrace. Still I watch this space, still I lock this place. Still I rep states, I'm a dog, them no switch place. Defy the odds, them have said the kid great. Move enough mountain and show them what is fate. And not just for the turtle win this race. Still I rep states, I'm a dog, them no switch place. Pray for me. Set the table, we gotta prepare for me. Lonely road and me I tread it carefully. Who for love me, them never care for me. Some of me say she a pray for me. And the table we gotta prepare for me. Lonely road and me I tread it carefully. Who for love me, them never care for me. Not there for me. In the darkest place, rocky road man I walk with faith. One mount I evil the mark is straight. But I will prevail, God the Lord is great. Plead my cause, oh Lord, with them that strive with me. Fight against those that fight against me. Some mama say she a pray for me. And the table we gotta prepare for me. Lonely road and me I try to carefully. Who for love me, them never care for me. Some mama say she a pray for me. And the table we gotta prepare for me. Lonely road and me I try to carefully. Who for love me, them never care for me. Not there for me. Cold street, oh I talk about war and I know street. Bench house time and I never catch cold feet. So much thing but my brain can't cope G. Girl on me heart, me no know how to trust she. Here say I'm your enemy, number one team. Everything I jaffy and not the first do it. Me just a stay humble until the bus reach. States. Yeah man, from east to state. One. I know the same. Yeah, my fear. Yeah, man, the dream never change in my bro. The hustle never stop. I will have to say God did, you know. Cause look which part we start out. And look which part we there now. It's clear these days
days, me I fight the fight with all these fears. Sit there on the stairs and I try to hold back all these stairs. One day if my birth was a mistake, been a miss the price when them addicted. Now the respect, now upstate, welcome this gate. Yeah, how much time them this already, but we put in the work, make history already. Everywhere when we fight, that a victory already. 5-8, 5 up and now the 6 and steady. State mix any with a crisp and red. Make a gal want take a pretty pitch dance. Any joke star back around to make your chick want smelly. Drop a charge, I'ma tell my dog drift that Ellie. Baba lava loo, yeah, I'm feeling jolly. Another rain chop, 22 rim panny. Baba lava loo, yeah, I'm feeling jolly. Gone up in a taboo with 2 Hispanic. Got a lot of blue, yeah, I'm feeling lavish. Whip on the toes, skate off thick Johnny. Baba lava loo, baba lava loo. All of this is a dream, dog, me never got a clue. Tell gosh I'm a proud to the house dogs. And the G them good for the most part. A Gyalis 6G we a sport off. Chuck star make it deal them close off. Yeah we up dog I bring emotion. Them a chat and we never listen commotion. Put a M in our stocks and watch it grow from. From nothing me a grow from. Work and patient like heights of great men. Believing in me, you know my life in a statement. Know my book and every booking that I top up a savings. Pressy set them off for top up a payment. When I hear them, we rocking palm angels. From Avenue D in the basement to first class flight. Look how quick life changing. We drop a hot to set a wall on the pavement. Yeah, I'm feeling jolly. Another range dropped on the touring panny. Baba lava low, feeling jolly. Gone up and a taboo with. Yeah, I'm a fear. Yeah, man, the dream never changing in my bro. The hustle never stop. I will have to say I God did, you know. Cause look which part we start out. And look which part we there now. It's clear. These days, me I fight the fight with all these fears. Sit there on the stairs and I try to hold back all these stairs. One day if my birth was a mistake, been a miss the price when them addicted. Now the respect, now upstate, welcome this gate. Yeah, how much time them this already, but we put in the work, make history already. Everywhere when we fight, that a victory already. 5-8, 5 up and now the 6 and steady. State mix any with a crisp and red. Me make a gal want take a pretty pitch dance. Any joke star back around to make your chick want smelly. Drop a charge, I'ma tell my dog drift that Ellie. Baba lava loo, yeah, I'm feeling jolly. Another rain chop, 22 rim panny. Baba lava loo, yeah, I'm feeling jolly. Gone up in a taboo with 2 Hispanic. Got a lot of blue, yeah, I'm feeling lavish. Whip on the toes, skate off thick Johnny. Baba lava loo, baba lava loo. All of this is a dream, dog, me never got a clue. Tell gosh I'm a proud to the house dogs. And the G them good for the most part. A Gyalis 6G we a sport off. Chuck star make it deal them close off. Yeah we up dog I bring emotion. Them a chat and we never listen commotion. Put a M in our stocks and watch it grow from. From nothing me a grow from. Work and patient like heights of great men. Believing in me, you know my life in a statement. Know my book and every booking that I top up a savings. Pressy set them off for top up a payment. When I hear them, we rocking palm angels. From Avenue D in the basement to first class flight. Look how quick life changing. We drop a hot to set a wall on the pavement. Yeah, I'm feeling jolly. Another range dropped on the touring panny. Baba lava low, feeling jolly. Gone up in a taboo with 2 Hispanic. Got a lot of blue, yeah, I'm feeling lavish. Quick whip on the toes, skate off thick Johnny. Baba lava low, baba lava low. All of this is a dream, dog, me never got a clue. I take a drive, go down the inner state. I pray for move them out, now them are just some bigger fate. I pray for reconstruct the house and get a bigger gate. The yard are full up, so I think me need a bigger space. Looking at state, my member days, me used to dinner late. I've copy cars, so if my film, I met the beam a skate. And if a race, it's just the laugh, I said the nigga great. Jah know me happy, say me winning, cause me been a wait. I know I'm feeling jolly. Another rain drop on the touring body. I know I'm feeling jolly. Gone up in a taboo with 2 Hispanic. Got a lot of blue, yeah, I'm feeling lavish. Quick tip on the toes, skate off, stick Johnny. Baba lava low, baba lava low. All of this is a dream, that me never got a clue. Yeah, man, 585 876 VYBEZ I Garrison. VYBEZ we upstate.
Disaster music.
Yeah, my fear. Yeah, man, God did. God on time. God on time. Oh no. Oh no, not dust, I never trust. Yeah, my fear. You rush them.
drug star. Them at the time I master in my bro. Believe or receive it, that believe it. The amount of fight me get till mommy say she sight me it. And girl whenever want me know she want my Barbie jets. From back at the plane me coming from the private jet. Me account fat the last time when me check a 90 jet. You want the hype then alright go and go take you 5 minutes. Because the next 5 minutes truck star I go sign the check. Me push the Benz so hard my dog me never try this yet. I bag a cap and the cap and them never try this yet. Cause me living the life my team lavish. But bitch you know me ride I speak Spanish. Have me touch if you see me see it vanish. Make it bounce and hydraulic. Make it wet and make me think of Titanic. States man you fuck up a bitch in every parish. Designer beats the life I'm modest. Me used to cheap and clean, now I Louis V panties. Used to park lunch, now the feel I got about 3 canteen. My push the beast man scheme. The life me live now and the life them mama sleep and dream. Rush them fear. Mansion pan hill. Spaceship on the basic, put a Bentley on the bill. Patience are the key, me watch my tents become a mill. Sure banking me wealthy a Brazil. Me did have to believe. Put in the work, now me happy for real. Me tell my brother them say that is the deal. Give my pops a brick, tell him that a fishy nail. Cause my brain in a game, be my drift in a Spain. 416 never glitch in a chain. NPT, cause me sick in a brain. From me a 16, bring a blick in a lane. Cause me living the life, my team lavish. But bitch in my ride, I speak Spanish. As me touch if you can see me see it vanish. Make it bounce and hydraulic. Make it pussy wet and me think a Titanic. White states man, you fuck up a bitch in every parish. Designer beats, the life I bodies. Dog, the life I bodies. The amount of fight me get till mommy say she sight me it. And girl whenever want me know she want my Barbie jets. From back at the plane me coming from the private jet. Me account fat the last time when me check a 90 jet. You want the hype then alright go and go take you 5 minutes. Because the next 5 minutes Chucky I go sign the check. Me push the Benz hard, my dog me never try this yet. I bag a cap and the cap and them never try this yet. Me living the life but team lavish. But bitch you know me ride and speak Spanish. As me touch if you can see me see it vanish. Make it bounce alright Johnny. Make it wet and make me think a Titanic. States man you fuck up a bitch in every past. Yes, I beat the life they are the maddest. Yeah but MMG on the body. Yep. Yeah man.
Rochester link up. Yeah man. Vybz in the place. Gyalis man. Rochester link up. From here to upstairs, the signals Gyalis on the mic. Yo. From here to upstairs, the signal strong. Log on pon the stream, everybody turning long. Big laugh, big chat. Every little song, in my yell up the yard of them foreign and hometown. To street kind of song. When the show start, it's like cool breeze calm. Gyalis pon the sci-fi. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. On the sci-fi. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world at. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it on the road. Big up every crew, in a chill mode. Chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks walk one and the colors rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting. But him still show love, not tear down king. Gyalis keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Gyalis on the live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. On the live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, Eddie Link still sure. Yardman accent, kick down every door. Big up the queens and the real hardcore. If you love the vibe, shout one time more. One more. Funny. Live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. Funny. Live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Yeah man. Live vibe steady, we not cool. Rochester, Jamaica, one rule. Anywhere you're there, just remember this. Host with the fire, them call him Gyalis. Pronounce live.
Yeah, people.
Yeah.
Vybz Friday. And I wish when I throw this and we're back.
You can hear now.
Yeah. You don't know this your boy Gyalis Jay.
Dr. Sour. It's a pink day. I didn't know it was all pink today. That's what it was.
Yeah, we love
the email.
We love the boobies.
We do love the boobies.
Yeah, we're trying to save them. But you don't know people, as again, Vybz Friday, each and every Friday, this is boy Gyalis Jay, Dr. Sour in our building. And today we have a special guest in the building. Like I said, no stranger to Livevybz.
Definitely.
The one and only Upstate Mafia. Represent the whole of... Oh, what you say? From Canada too? Came out down Canada too? From the snow side.
It's more than
You have to push to Alaska, you know. If you know, worldwide.
Well, cool.
Alright.
There you go.
From Canada, go straight back down the dog, the pan tour and world. Yo, Javi one.
Active, man.
Javi one.
Active, you know?
No, again. Javi one.
States.
Oh. You don't know. Why premium artist?
There, man, you know?
Alright, and I don't know everybody, Javi one in that building. And as you know, regular routine, you're going to just kick it off like this. Sponsors.
Come on, man. Kick it off.
D&K Catering. Oh, this nigga here.
Yeah, you're right. I'm still rolling up. My fault.
I got you.
Go ahead, appreciate
D&K
it.
Catering, One Love Window Cleaning, All In Podcast Network, and definitely shouts out to the Livevybz production. You don't know. If me forget none of the sponsors, them I tune on the pay. I tune on the pay the bill. Next week, alright.
Next week.
Sponsor Livevybz.
Alright, see the one mafia go support Livevybz Chuckstar production. Jesus Christ, we still get billboard up here more than this.
Right? It's coming along.
But yeah, sponsors out there, give a quick shout out to everybody that's celebrating a birthday. Ricky! One day right.
I say, oh my God.
First of all, you're not going to speed past that. You just say what you just said.
So right now we're getting that cups up segment. We're not wasting no time with the people. We reach this up. Everybody pour up real quick. In the chat, cups up. We at that part right now. We at that part in the program. Yeah, sincere me Jay, why free? Night chats, everybody in the chat cups up. Anybody even have a birthday, remember me right now before we reach at the next part. Quick. So, quick toast everybody, cups up in that room in that chat if you have a cup or a bucket or whatever. So like we say, we was here last week and we're here again this week. For that we thank the Almighty and cups up again another year for the general. See it? And for everybody else who are celebrating. Alright. So, same speed. Let's start off with the artists. Before we get into the whole purpose, we always start off with checking everybody mental and how their week push off before we get to here. So your week up, Cap?
Your week active, man.
Active.
Nice days out, you know.
Type
like
shit.
Fire.
How about you, BG?
My week was good, man. I came back in town Monday, man. I went to the Roots picnic this weekend, man.
The what?
The Roots picnic. I got to see Jay-Z perform after, 10 years, man?
Yeah, wait, that's when he took his hair out and shit?
Yeah, yup. The shit I was killing social media. I was out there for that shit, yo.
Niggas are crazy.
That shit was fun, though. That shit was nice, man. I did that shit, man. You know, I was camping the week before that. I've been outside, man.
Yeah, you been on some... You been on some real white Rasta shit. Some backpack Rasta.
No, listen.
Yo, the dog, how long now, you know?
You know me, you know
Right now, I have Javi a special guest tonight to blood. But, well, as far as my week smooth same way, just work and the heat, as you say, and I get ready for this today, Friday. So, like we say, the artist in the building, so we're not going to waste no time see you know, so. The artist. Me personally, you know, so me I want to hear funny now. Me see you kind of take a little chill time I've been seeing. Because one night time, you know, any time, them say stage show.
Ready.
Javi have to do it.
That's true. That is true.
So what going?
Work every time. Work always I put in, man. But wait, live it thing, man. You can forward out, come see me and live it thing.
Oh, the family fund day?
9, yeah. Family fund day, August 9. But other than that, man, other than the break from the stage show, the man thing, man, I just work non-stop every time, man. Every single day. Never take no break from it.
Oh, so that means we expect some bad job for somebody?
Yes, man. Holy Chuckstar. I win. I win.
How we expect the new job management? Alright, so
yo, big shouts out to Chuck Star in the building too, yo. Management off screen right now. all the questions shooting his way, he just deflecting every round, yo, every time.
But they call it media trade.
Yo.
But Javi, as far as that go, you see how well the direction dancehall are going on now. Me feel like it get back nice again. My personal opinion.
In terms of like beat wise,
that was my next question for you. What do you mean in terms of
beat wise, artists or reach places are like.
Well, so alright. So that again now, beat wise, yes. Beat where people go back to juggling type of vibes, yes. Because now everybody are, you know what I mean?
But you feel like that beneficial to the artist them or the producer them?
Producer, for the most part, when I can say, to be honest.
Okay.
To be honest, but it's a thing where from you deliver correctly, it will stand out. Because right now, for example, like the Hill and Gully, everybody.
Yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing for your culture. It's a good thing for your genre, man. Because right now, every artist want to go for a bad juggling them. Either they get authorization or not.
Yeah.
Every artist want to go for a bad juggling them same way. And them put out all them songs without producer give them a go ahead. You know the response.
But see, that our culture.
You feel like that's why it's a lot more newer artists coming out too now?
Juggling because of juggling? No, I feel like billions of talented artists out there, especially in Jamaica. Like, whole heap of talented artists out there we will never hear yet. I don't really feel like I just juggling them, make them come up now. Them been there.
That's true.
Them been there, but as I say, the dancehall back in a juggling era again. So once the juggling beat a play, you know, say a DJ gonna look for most of the song them for the juggling and play. So our artists were probably out there all long, but you never hear him yet because of the juggling. You gonna hear him now because him the on the juggling there. But him out the long time I do him thing.
That's true. So as far as that go, more rewind a little bit. So as far as our scene here, like we mentioned earlier, you can see you on a stage show again, and with that being said, where the artists them there? In a few city at least.
Locally?
Yeah, cause when you go on your tour and sing thing and sitting, remember say you just straight to me and artists. No, you know what I mean? But as you know me, I said like there's no more than we know a couple artists, but as far as for or like me say as something about them pin you.
Yeah, artists there, man, that probably have to go get a couple of promoter them on the podcast and ask them why not with the local artists them, because artists there in our city we're good enough for open up for your main act. But as to why it now happen, me couldn't answer that. Would I love to see.
It's not coming from your side. It's more the promoter side. It ain't you that's not wanting to do it. Yeah. No, it's not that you don't want to do it. It's just that ain't nobody really.
I'm willingly, man. Every day I week, man. Any day I week, we get the call and say, Javi, ready, man.
No, that makes sense.
But as to why it can't, as to why not just for Javi one alone, you know, for the rest of local act them, me can't say, because as me say, me feel like say them talented enough to be opening.
Opening at least, yeah. At least. Like, give them,
if you're not going to give them a style, you're not whatever, just give them the forefront. They say, yo, come showcase your talent for 5 minutes or 3 minutes at least.
So how important you think that is for?
Very, very, very important.
Feel like, especially if you like a show where people always complain. Because I always hear people ask, who's this?
Yeah.
Even when like for you, like when you're performing, I say, who's this? And when me start sing, then I say, oh, we gotta. And I say, yeah, check that shit. You know what I mean? So it's just like some promoter, you know, they don't like take the risk for gambling and then weird it. But like for you already do your material and your work.
But me no see having a local artist as an opening act can be no gamble. That can't be no gamble.
Because
But watch this. Remember, you know, is the proper grammar? Is all of them? Them a work as hard as you?
Yeah, of course. Maybe.
But that's a you can recognize them, so talent real recognize real, so talent recognize talent, and you work among and see some and hear some of them. So,
yeah.
And just like I said, so why you think they're not getting that?
That's a promoter question though. And I see what he's saying.
No, but him as an artist can't understand. Cause me sure at one point you were.
Why again? I don't know. Like probably, I don't know if it's a personal issue with the promoter them. An ex-artist maybe have with a personal issue with the promoter. I'm not sure because remember say Rochester is a small city and like we have 20 different promoter where I put on.
That's the point.
I put on show. We only have a small amount, so a group of people I put on shows. So probably an artist and the group of promoter they probably have personal issues or the promoter they just maybe think the artist just not good enough.
I think it's also in a way where in the route of like where promotions and everything is going nowadays too, where it's kind of getting lost and everything when it comes to certain things like having openers for your artists. When the last time you seen it with any artist that's been here? It's been some time since we had openers for artists.
Not in Rochester, you know, see, but major city them, of course, the local talent them on every single.
It's not even when I stage show, you know, even when Javi in a party, you know, most party, you know, him happy. Yeah, they might say, yo, you know what I mean? So is that's what I say, it's like not only the stage show performance, it's just when other artists in the place. So it's not necessarily promoters only. You would have say I would have the DJ them to art.
Now do you think that might tie back into the rotation of the music though too? Like man, like these music not getting airtime. It's not getting the plays that it deserves. It's not getting, huh?
But as a promoter where I represent your city, me feel like say if you feel that we personally like the artist not get enough airtime, so I'm not gonna waste my time with Jermaine because Jermaine not get. You see me? Like, but that's you as a promoter supposed to say, so Jermaine,
it's in the name.
If me keep five show, give Jermaine 2 because I know all about how Jermaine go mash up the crowd, you know. Because I can guarantee you if
they do this with DJs all the time. They do this with DJs on a regular basis, man. They do this on like.
Yeah, they ain't gamble with DJ more, but so I said.
They won't gamble with it. I see exactly what you're saying.
Is it that the artists them not gonna road?
That's what
I think that's what the kind of the point.
No,
can jab you out there.
Another party and so that's one rhythm forward up, or if one a theme rhythm them, him forward out of the crowd and you know what I mean, even in a book for the party, you know.
On the outside, out of mind, and definitely not that. As I say, probably you have to call out the promoter them next week and ask the promoter them. So, you know, walk around with the local act them. You know what I mean? Not just artists either, DJ, because whole heap of bad DJ around there when I get no forward to.
We have DJs on the panel, but I don't think we,
yeah, but whole heap of the bad DJ there when I get no eyesight because, as I said,
they use the same group.
One set.
They use the same groups.
True, that's true.
Yeah,
it's a problem. Well, we come from it's a small town with a big city mentality where it's a popularity contest. A lot of times it's a popularity contest.
So that's what I say. I feel. What your opinion? You think is a image thing or who you know? Why they don't allow certain or give certain like you know say I'm an artist.
Again, me can't say that. Again,
you can't say it.
No, me can't say who you know because
let me tell you.
Right.
No, but that's what I say. But even from a start. It was all open doors for you from the start?
It never been open door. Not from the start, never.
So that's my point. So when I say before the door open, like you can tell what it was like before and what you had to change for you to get certain opportunities. Whether that be surroundings, group, image, type of how you deliver your music. You know what I mean?
Let me tell you, Jermaine. Me feel personally, me feel like say you get more love out of town than what you get from your own.
That we can agree upon.
Yes, me feel like I feel like say them not gonna know you or them not gonna gain a forward till them see somebody where they on a higher level gear the forward there. You see me, and them are gonna say, alright then. Alright, I say, you know, so we use Javi 2 times. We use Javi 2 times and I say, here, when Javi reach up, so we're gonna call Javi and say, Javi. And because they did use Javi 2 times, Javi I go and say, yeah. But what about the other 20 times when you never use Javi, where you could have used Javi? You see me? So I don't like you go call management and management go crazy. And I say, yo, you call management, me you know Chuck Star. Anybody call Chuck Star I tell them say yeah. Without nothing at all, Chuck Star I tell them say yeah. Especially like in the city, no man Chuck Star I tell them say yeah. Half of the rip Chuck Star I tell them yeah. Without nothing. So as I say, it really not cost nothing at all. So as to why you not really see Javi, me can't tell. I will have to keep on show them.
You already, that's the next thing too.
Yeah, like
I believe in that too, just like how everybody investing in themselves at least.
Yeah, man.
Then you will know and what you have to do. But anyway, moving forward, I been getting back to new dancehall. So when earlier with that say as far as the juggling go, you say me agree with you when you say the promoter or the producer benefit more. But you know say that one part that's like a give and take factor of that.
Yeah, of course.
So once
you're on juggling, so you get recognition.
Exactly, so that way channel people to more of your stuff. Yeah. So me not really say you lose. Yeah, so me not, I just you feel actually max out. Read it. Exactly. Oh, perfect. The new controversy about the Hill and Gully rhythm, right? Mm-hmm. As an artist, one of the things they must say, because it's from the culture.
From upbringing.
Yeah, the folk type, mislew type ideas. What are your perspective on it? What do you think? You think they should like keep it clean or it just...
No, you have to give and take, you know, because he use a sample out of the beat. It really means he use the beat, you know. So I say alright then Hill and Gully rhythm because we know the song of the pirate say Hill and Gully. So you have to give and take. Yeah, it kinda drag the culture or way.
They make you go back and look at some original shit.
Prior to we them never really want to see that, but my age me good with it.
Because my perspective was like, let me say, even they must say we should preserve our culture, but this is one of the ways how, because a lot of the youth them never did know.
Them just attack now. Say when they hear the rhythm now, nobody now say Hill and Gully right. Everybody has to slip and slide. Valiant boy, and then nobody now really gonna say Hill and Gully again. So Genius fling Hill and Gully through the door, basically. Cause nobody now say Hill and Gully again. Never. Me don't think you ever gonna hear nobody say Hill and Gully rhythm again.
No man.
Cause the rhythm come on, nobody now ball and say Hill and Gully right though. Nobody now ball
but
again.
In a sense.
A massacre, they must know.
No, but in a sense, that's what you think of because that's the name of the rhythm. So me not think about Hill and Gully when me hear him.
What you think about the newer generation? Everybody that's hearing it now, man. That's.
What do you mean?
They're not really.
What do you mean?
They're not. They gonna go back and listen to the original, but they're not really. They don't care about none of that, man. You gotta think about how people listen to music now.
But if they even think about them tune, bro. You used to sit about slapping this tune, bro. And I like say, oh, you know what I mean? We slappy thoughts, you know.
No, but
and a G does a massive kind of volley and then, you know what I mean?
No, but with that true, then we just more straightforward in a few generation, we can say at least. But as far as the new juggling them, which one, you know, what go on?
You know, it's a man really. I'm not gonna say man really like juggle. Me I prefer juggling artists, you know. I prefer juggling rhythm, you know. I prefer rush them build a rhythm give we build one thing, one sound and thing. But juggling important, you know, don't get me wrong, you know. Because as I say, you can never know, you can jump on a juggling and they say it break there.
Yeah,
so it's important.
Yeah, that's a break for your producer too.
Yeah.
Because when they forward in back and say where the rest of the catalog there you see it.
But me like my own sound, me like build our own sound.
Me can't say, yeah, but as far as promotion wise go.
Yeah, just we do it like a freestyle, like a demo.
You have to. Because it's like a current, you know.
Yeah, I'm not saying nothing wrong with that.
It's just one of them things that just feel not say, it's not even a fact. I don't want to use the word relevancy, but just for get your voice still heard in a sense. Because sometimes when the hot wave are passing and you just still calm, you know. When the next hot wave are passing, nobody now go look for hear from you, and if you drop it, I go be like, oh, okay.
No, maybe at them time that them all look for hear, because they might say, oh, we never hear Javi on the juggling it.
Either way, you can't go both
so
ways.
So when Javi finally reach by juggling, I say, oh.
But we are see. So we say, we have.
Yeah, where you thoughts from clashing in the dancehall space, and you personally?
Clashing, I forgot, man. Clashing. Clashing, I forgot.
I feel like we talked about this on here before.
No. The reason I'm asking because you saying book for Livevybz thing, and that is promoted as a clash event. So
that's true.
Know is it that you know what I mean?
In a dance, you mean like in a dancehall or Jaffy one?
Kind of two questions, like
both.
If Jaffy could be clash,
personally, like what are your thoughts personally?
If it makes sense, Jaffy will clash tomorrow. Jaffy will clash tonight. If it makes sense. I'm clashing a dancehall, I forgot. Me, when me just know about dancehall, I clash me know about. So them thing that I forgot for keep the culture. Cause we look forward to them thing there. Them thing they get me excited.
Nowadays, like dancehall artists and people like the American
like physically out in the road, but cause the man them the artists them a sing about something when no fair sing about. Them not really keep it. You see me between the lines, them a go over, them a cross the lines, them and get personal. Something where you not go really take them thing there. So you have to take it physical.
Someone has to put the producer point. Because some of them fans, they might try to bring them on some Gully and Gaza fan type of thing. They don't understand so that most of them artists are friends. And I didn't even say friend, but them are co-workers. And them not understand that people in music.
It's about money, yo, and music, yeah, that should be about money a lot of the time.
Judge the music, not the artist.
But dancehall music clash not about no money, you know. Because no dancehall artists now make no money off a clash.
Nah, but it's promo. It's promo still.
Yeah.
It may not be money, but it's damn sure promo.
Every time when the dog them get a chance to get a little clash for run off, they get the promo, them start take it personal. And that make it street beef but anyway, so Javi, you say new music you have a work on. So the new music that we have a job. What kind of inspiration you get for write them? What kind of direction we expect?
Same old job one.
More lyrical, like I said, same lyrical.
Yeah, same old job one, man. Mostly we still them mostly down the positive side, same way. Most of the time.
All I go on in a Javi. I not tell no lie, no. What my name?
Gyalis Jay, man, Livevybz.
And the ladies in my report say, this is summer, I go past hot girl summer. Cause I remember them say them don't know what I go premise next year, so they said they might dash out completely this summer, but they not do it out brawling, them just go do it and just do it. So
Jim Screech is there.
We have them come up shortly, man.
Okay.
We have them come up shortly.
Cause the ladies them ask street man, me I tell you.
Them only shortly, shortly them only.
Alright.
Cause maybe I say, you know, so we never hear Javi what good or get that lady yet. Go talk to the girl then.
Me just say, cause them ask. So what else we can expect other than, me not say other than the music, but like how soon before Livevybz are that the first we are gonna see you publicly performing?
For now at this so yeah. For now I Livevybz.
For this so and then later on in the summer in a year you take off again.
Yeah, summertime we always the by road man outside man, cause we get love from different places man. Yeah, and we show a different place love too.
Alright, see.
Yeah.
So people same speed, you know, so we say Javi one day, big bad producer rush them in our building. We don't know, You know one thing we can tell the people them with talent always a hide.
You know what it
and
is?
we can't understand.
You know what I try to
And the
do
news stand, rush them, the news stand, and the producer them a move like artists, you know, so me don't know where you go on with me youth. Me don't know where you don't see Mac. Yo, you better go, you and Javi feel like music video them too. Blood clot, but
Rush them a music video director now, I'm a beat maker, I'm a producer.
If you all around every same way, you mean? Yeah, you mean rush them. You can't stay there. You know your name, rush them. You know your name. You can't have the name, they rush them and you hide from them. Rush them. What you mean? You hide from them.
You make an argument.
Yeah, you can't rush them, you hide from them, you don't rush them. What you mean?
Rush them and work, man. Only if I say hundreds of songs we have, man, and I rush them and make you beat them, so rush them and work, man.
Alright. So you say rush them, you start drop some songs soon. Why crocodile? So people like we say the one mafia family in the bit. Yo, you know my question for Javi, because right now, I want the people that really hear what Javi really they are finding out.
You handled it all, man. I was here. You handled it all. You got it. You got it.
So Javi one. Anything else you want to tell the people?
Yes, but
anybody you want to shout out, anybody you want to promote or, you know?
May I promote NC and Dulce.
Oh.
I'm out of before I touch NC and Dulce, may I promote my new song named Augment. It's still in promotion stages.
Argument.
Augment, not argument.
Wait, what?
Augment, A-U-G.
Yo, man, the man tell me what it's again, man. Say it slow.
Augment.
Augment?
Yeah.
Like an augmentation.
Whatever that mean.
Bumbo
What that mean? What that mean?
There you go. Let him cook. Yeah. Let him cook.
What do you mean, Mr. Glasses? What do you mean?
You got the glasses on.
No, you have to tell me what it mean, man.
You better glasses now make blood clot.
Go ahead.
Anyway, augment. Alright.
You mean augment, man, a changes, man. Difference. Yeah, man, new single drop a couple months ago, man, and that was still a promote.
Oh.
Yo, he said that shit so fluently, like he be saying it, yo, too. That's hilarious.
Oh,
yo. Yeah.
Wait, before I forget. Augment.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Augment, Javi, one new single. YouTube?
Every platform.
Every platform, every platform, people. Check it out.
GPT, you can find it.
Yeah. Jamaica.
Yeah.
Outside.
And then, NC and Dulce, August 29th.
August 29th?
Yeah, clutch with it.
You know, part 5 it reached now.
Part 5. And you know, say, may I ask the management for permission. So you say for that day, we want to do like, may I go plan like a preview stage show, may I get a couple of the artists in that place and more than one of the artists will pass through same speed. Like I want like a music night.
Say a look at me and I just say arts management.
No, him say mad, I say sick.
Oh, crazy.
Okay. Alright, so we say alright. So look out for that, you know. NC and do say August 29th.
August 29th. Sky Lounge.
Part 5. Oh, say the same night, day party, what vibes?
Night
vibes.
Maybe something I cook up, man. What if I think in
No way.
But anything I do say, I normally Livevybz party too, no Livevybz, I'm always going to themselves. Livevybz, I'm always themselves for last time.
Why? I feel business that now I open on yourself. Clean up your dirty style that. Alright. You know your birthday in the bowl. Carry on. So people, again, we have to appreciate everybody in the chat. Like we say, if you never know, this is Rochester's one and only Javi one. He's not a stranger to Livevybz. Him always forward to and support and shell down in place, and again him going to deliver tonight. So before we get to that, we'll go and play some tune and we'll just stay with you. We're going to rearrange some things and forward back and make him do a little exit performance. And remember the new single Augment.
Yeah, that I heard.
Blood clot, remember. Yeah. Augment on every platform. You can chat GPT. Augment, me I can say it till we can't forget. Augment, every platform, Javi one.
What's called?
Augment, every platform, Javi one, and that we are promote. tonight until Hennessy until what, August 29th?
August 29th.
Part 5, Hennessy and Deuce, and that what you say.
Sky
People,
Lounge.
this your boy Gyalis Jay.
That the sour.
States.
Outside, and he say, don't move, you know. Like we said, don't move. Go and chill this until we forward back. But everyone, I'll take out the show real quick. Play some tune, DJ.
Which song is that?
No, I'm talking to the Livevybz again. Go on.
Original.
Rochester link up. Livevybz in the place. Gyalis on the mic. Yo. From here to upstairs, the signal strong. Log on on the stream, everybody turning long. Big laugh, big chat. Every little song in my ear, up the yard of them foreign man. One tongue, Gyalis of the spice, yeah. Give me full of charm. Talk the thing straight, but you keep it warm. From dancehall drama to street corner psalm. When the show starts, it's like cool breeze calm. Gyalis on the Livevybz. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. On the Livevybz. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world at. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it on the road. Big up every crew, in a chill mode. Chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks wagwan and the colors rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting. But him still show love, not tear down king. Gyalis keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Gyalis on the Livevybz. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. On the Livevybz. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, the link still sure. Yardman accent, kick down every door. Big up the queens and the real hardcore. If you love the vibe, shout one time more. One more. On the Livevybz. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise.
Okay, let's go.
I know I'm blessed.
Right.
I close my eyes. Sometimes I feel like just man, and I've done my best.
Like I didn't want to if you make you mine. Been if you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. Come rewind. Get like me if you make you mine. Give you love in every night. You make you mad. Now only you give me love.
World big. World big. Oh, that's about that. Oh, who that? Go, wait a minute. Top girl.
Gyalis Jay. Link in bio.
Romance scenes with the 2 grand kicks. Somebody say where the full of antics. Phone load up a gal that we say pics. Slave master when with them whips. Got a social chippy stack them chips. Can't make them your money if you boy con this. The chatty binds I go stitch them lips. Yo, world thing. I got a swag pop tag. Elvish with the Louis bag. Me no mismatch, me no mix wrong. If you step on my shoes, you step on 3 grand. Designer expensive. Watch a chain, goose from far. Make yellow draw near where we go. Diabetic food with the rooftop drip. Romance 2 grand kick. Some bad dollar, you say with the full of antics. Phone load up a gal that we say sleep master when we they pull up them whips. Social chippy stuff and chips. Can't make me a fee boy con this. If you chatty but it's them lips. That's what Elvish.
Okay, let's go.
I know I'm blessed.
Right.
I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like just man in Babylon. I've done my best.
Like I didn't want to if you love in every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. money if you make you mine. Give you love in every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love.
World big.
Outside,
How would that? How that? How would that? Stop, go, wait a minute. Stop.
Gyalis Jay.
Spend cash on your pum pum.
Link in bio.
Rooftop drip, chroma jeans with and kick some bad dollar. You say where they full of antics. Phone load up a gal that we say big save master when we they pull up them whips. Got a social chippy stack them chips can't make them. And me boy con this if you chatty binds I go.